downtime and data loss are major business and IT issues for all companies. Many customers undervalue IT functions like backup because they don't appreciate what recoverability or no recoverability means to their company. It is critical for your customers to gain confidence in quantifying technical recovery capabilities, business impacts, and financial concerns related to data protection. How do your customers measure the impact of downtime or data loss? How do IT professionals align operational goals and business impacts with their IT mechanisms and vice versa? If their IT systems go offline, how long does it really take to get them up and running again? How much data can your customers afford to lose? Veeam is the leader in cloud data management with simple, reliable, and flexible backup solutions. These will help to mitigate impacts on business and boost restore capabilities at speed to limit downtime and data loss. To find out more about how Veeam can help your customers solve their data loss and downtime headaches, visit the Pro Partner portal or contact Veeam direct today.